Let's start with a question. What do you want more from a smartwatch? I can help you answer this question by covering the following topics in this video, and check out my previous video about unboxing, design and device layout. Setup and pair with your phone, Wear OS 3, fitness tracking, health tracking, sleep tracking, cool features and tricks, setting up Google Assistant and its comparison, charging and battery life. Conclusion. By the way, since we are talking about watches, do you think time is a discovery or an invention? What is the difference and which one is real? Welcome to Timelessness. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hold the power key to turn on the device. Then choose your language and the country you live in. At this point, the Galaxy Watch 5 will pop up automatically on your phone's display. Tap Connect and Galaxy Wearable will be downloaded automatically. By giving some permissions, you can confirm the number being displayed on your phone and the Galaxy Watch. And Galaxy Watch 5 Manager will be downloaded as well. By giving some more permissions and signing to your account, your watch will be ready and you are all set. Working with Wear OS 3 is easy. Swipe down to access the quick panel, swipe up to go back to the watch face, swipe up from the bottom edge to access the apps, swipe down to go back to the watch face, swipe right for notifications, and then tap to open notifications. Swipe right from the edge to get back to the previous screen, and then swipe left to go back to the watch face. For the tiles or widgets, swipe left and then press the home key to go to watch face from any screen. One of the most important uses of these wearables is to track your health. The good thing about Galaxy Watch 5 is that it can detect your workout automatically and precisely. For example, here I started walking at 16:01. As it can be seen at 16:13, the watch notified me that I'd been walking for 12 minutes, which was absolutely correct. As soon as I sat down, it detected that my workout is finished and notified me that it will end this workout in less than a minute. And then it gives you an overview of your workout. Galaxy Watch 5 can detect multiple workouts automatically from walking to swimming. And when you go to the Samsung Health app, it shows you every important detail that you need. From the number of steps and distance you have run to the calories you have burned. Also, in the daily activities section, it shows the total distance and calories, and when you go to each of your specific workouts, it gives you more information about your heart rate and speed. Also, don't worry to swim with this watch, as the Galaxy Watch 5 features IP68 with a 5 ATM rating and can withstand pressures equivalent to about 50 meters underwater. By having the Galaxy Watch 5, you have a portable laboratory on your wrist. As it is shown on Samsung phones, it can measure your body composition and give you much more detail about your body, including BMI, body fat, and skeletal muscle. It can also measure your blood pressure by calibrating your watch with a blood pressure device for the first 3 measurements, and then it can take blood pressure by itself. And last but not least, it can also record your ECG. Unlike Pixel Watch, with no extra cost, you can benefit from all the sleep tracking features in Galaxy Watch 5. It can precisely detect when you fell asleep, even if you don't set it, and measure your heart rate and also your blood oxygen, and rate your sleep quality by giving you the times that you were awake or you were in REM, light or deep sleep. A funny part is that you can also turn on snore detection in the settings, and when you snore, your phone will record your voice and you can hear it later. It can also coach you to improve your sleep quality. You can use your phone to talk on a phone call when your phone is not nearby, and here is the microphone quality.
Hello, this is a microphone test on Galaxy Watch 5 on a phone call. Now you can have an idea how does it work.
There are very practical gestures that you can turn on in the settings, like answering calls by shaking your arms twice. Dismiss alerts and calls by rotating your wrist twice. And to quick launch within the first 5 seconds after the screen turns on, make a fist and bend your wrist down and then up again twice. A great thing about the gorgeous and big display is that it gives you the possibility to write down or reply to messages easily without the need of your phone. As can be seen, it gives you multiple options to reply to a message in the most convenient and fastest way. You can use your phone as a spy cam. I was just kidding, but you can see on your watch what the camera of your phone is showing and capture photos and record video with your watch. You can wear the watch on your wrist easily since it uses standard straps and you can simply attach or detach it. Therefore, you can buy your ideal watch band from the market and attach it to the watch. Galaxy Watch 5 has an invisible digital bezel that I'm a fan of it. Working with it is very satisfying since it gives haptic feedback while touching and working with it, and with this haptic feedback can help with the precision. Here I show you how to transfer tracks or images from your phone to the Galaxy Watch 5. In the watch setting, go to management and then tap on add track. Then on your watch you have to give the required permission and tap try. This is how the built-in speaker of the Galaxy Watch 5 works. You can also connect your watch to your earbuds or headphones to listen to music while working out without taking your cell phone with you. In the quick panel, tap the headphone sign, and when it shows the model of your earbuds, choose and pair with it. Here I show you how to activate Google Assistant on your watch. Go to the Play Store and tap on the search icon. Search for Google Assistant. When it shows you the app, tap on it and update it. Once it is updated on your phone in advanced settings, in the press and hold home key section, you can see the assistant as well. How is the weather in Dallas, Texas?
Right now in Dallas, Texas, United States, it's 30 degrees and mostly sunny. Today, it'll be cloudy, with a forecasted high of 31 and a low of 21. And tomorrow, there will be thunderstorms.
Who is the President of United States?
The President of the United States of America is Joe Biden.
How is the weather in Dallas, Texas? Who is the President of United States? You can charge the Galaxy Watch 5 with a power adapter, or connect it to your phone with a cable, or even wirelessly. I started charging it when it has a 0% battery at 1540. In almost 20 minutes the battery percentage goes to 37%. In 30 minutes it went to 51%. In 50 minutes it became 79%. In 70 minutes it became 96%. And exactly in 1 hour and 20 minutes the Galaxy Watch 5 was charged from 0 to 100%. When the always on display is off without any sacrifice on turning Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or GPS off, I wore it 24/7 tracking my heart rate and other parameters. Even while I was asleep, the watch lasted almost 2 days. Astonishingly, when I switched on the always on display, this time with the same settings as before, the watch lasted around 1 day and 20 hours, which is great for both scenarios. In conclusion, I ask again, what do you want more from a smartwatch? It has a beautiful design and modern Wear OS, great battery life, and loads of health sensors. And unlike Pixel Watch, it has a free healthcare, fitness, and sleep tracking with detailed info and great coaches. It has also many cool features like controlling and observing the camera of your phone, practical gestures, and many more. That's why this is the best smartwatch in 2022. Thank you for watching my video. Till next time.